Hey guys, what's up? Roger from World of VFX. Welcome back to our channel, and in this video we'll talk about how you can create environmental fog or depth fog inside of Blender with a really easy simple technique. So let's get started. So right now we are in Blender, and as you can see, this is a normal spaceship kind of a set which I have downloaded from Sketchfab. The link is in description. You can go and download. So this is the camera view which I have already created earlier. So now let me show you how you can generate the fog with some really easy simple steps. So first of all, right now we're in texture mode. So if you go to this render, this is right now in Eve. Simply go to cycles and make it to GPU. Right now whatever you are watching, it's completely from cycles mode. Now if you want, you can completely create new light setup, or you can use the environmental texture. So let me introduce one HDRI for this scene. So just press open and let's import one HDRI. So these are my HDRIs. So HDRI is basically high dynamic range image which can create some really amazing lighting in your scene and which looks really realistic. So first of all, this is the lighting for this, and I have to rotate the lighting first. So if you just drag here, you can simply go to this shader editor, and from object you need to go to this world. Now go to texture mapping, and you can simply rotate this Z axis to change the lighting direction. So basically in the first step it will not done properly, but after doing some R&Ds you will get a proper lighting option. So now no need this, so just go to joint areas and it will gone. So this is my very basic level of lighting. Now we need area light, so just press Shift A and I'm creating a light and area light. So after that I'm just scaling up a bit high and then go to light and I'm changing it to disk. So right now this is in disk mode. So just I need to place it under this circular option. So just go to camera view once again. Now let's increase the power, let's say 2000. So now we have a lot of lights over here, and after that let's repositioning it a bit. So now you can see the light are hitting from this area which is looking really nice. So now we need to create environmental fog. So for that we need a primitive. So let's Shift A and go to mesh and obviously a cube. Increase the size, the cube, and increase it in Y axis so that we can create some tunnel kind of a thing. Increase in X axis and slightly in Z axis. That's it. And go to camera view. Now we are inside of this cube. After that go to shading tab and click the render option. Go to camera view once again. Now selecting this cube, you can simply press new. Now there are two type of options. So first of all, you need to delete this. Shift A and search volume, and you can find this option called principal volume and volume scatter. So you can use both. So I'm first using the volume scatter. Simply select only these two controls. Go to volume, connect this to this volume. Automatically you will getting some kind of depth over here. So now decrease the density to somewhere around 0.1. And now you're getting a lot of the fog over here, and let's change it to 0.9. So now you're getting some kind of really cool fog depth over here. Also you can change the color from here. So let's change the color, so let's say around a little bit of yellow. Also you can change the color from this light setup as well. So if you want, you can change the light color somewhere around this neon kind of thing or yellow kind of thing. So it will directly hit on this ground. So if you want, you can use this one as well. Also, you can create some fog with the help of another option, which is principal volume. Simply go to search and type principal, and you can get this principal volume. Simply select, connect the volume tab to this volume. Now why are you using this one? Because we will get a lot of controls for this. So if you decrease the densities, let's say around 0.01, so you are getting again a volumetric fog, and make it to 0.9 once again. Now let's change the density to just like 0.1 only. So now you're getting a lot of fogs over here, or a lot of depth. Now if you increase the emission intensity, so let's say around 0.1, now you will get a detailed fog over here. Now you can decrease it more, so let's say around 0.01, and now you're getting less fog but with more depth. Now also you can change the emission color from here as well. If you change, the entire fog color will change. So let's change it to somewhere around orange or yellow kind of thing. So if you change the density little bit down, let's say around 0.05, now you're getting more depth with some more other details. Now to make it more clear, you can simply go here down and you can find this option called look. You can change the look from anything like medium, low contrast. So here I'm preferred very high contrast to get this kind of high contrast effect look. So here if you want denoise, you can simply turn it on, but here if you want noise, don't on this denoise. So simply turn this off and render it out, so you will get some noisy environmental fog. Okay, so after that, once you're happy with your render, simply go to render and render image. So yes guys, that's it for today. Hopefully you really enjoyed this Blender short and simple tutorial of environmental fog. And if you feel this video is helpful for you, hit the subscribe button. See you in the next video. Till then, keep watching, keep rocking World of VFX. Bye bye.